Here's one of several magnetic molecules. This one is based on a tetrahedron and has its 4 north poles facing outwards. And this one is same geometry, but it has its south poles pointing outward. And of course they will come together. There are various configurations that they will line up in. This one basically has 2 of them popping up, 4 of them popping down. This can be rearranged. And in the second configuration, basically you got 3 up, 3 down. This can be extended. Into another configuration. Now the other variation would be to actually put the white one on the outer side. Do the same with the red ones. And this sort of starts creating a diamond lattice, I believe. As you can see, this can grow. And this is just all of a direct coupling where the magnets are completely facing and aligned. I'll show other configurations in a minute. Often you can make subunits and then use these to join together, and you can make now longer chains of the molecule, if you'll say. Now there's another interesting configuration. It consists of 4 reds and 4 whites. Start by making 1/2 of it, connecting 3 red ones. The other one is a red one with 3 white ones. And then these 2 opposite join together to form this molecule. These again are all directly coupled, but what we can do is, if we've got several of these can be coupled together indirectly, where the magnetic coupling is a little bit offset, so these things don't totally align. And now we've got this other molecule, a little different because it doesn't have all direct coupling. Some of it is indirect, as you can see here. There's another configuration that consists of just paired up red and whites. Make a couple pairs. I need 6 to start. So we get them paired up alternately. And now you see it's sort of flattened, so now these 6 are offset. See, the magnets aren't completely aligned. Now when you got several of these subcomponents, they can start to be coupled together. Now you see you've got a much larger structure. Again, this is mostly only direct coupling is right down the plane, but all the adjacent coupling is indirect. So there's a little bit of a limitation with this magnetic configuration. Well, we'll call it a limitation, but it's what it can't do is kind of get a 5 in a loop, because now your polarity doesn't line up. However, if we modify our magnetic configuration, and basically each molecule has 2 north poles and 2 south poles, that allows us a little bit more flexibility. And now when we get around, we can actually now find a way to couple and make a pentagon. And if we just continue building this out, we can grow another structure. And now you've got basically a dodecahedron. So even though it's the same geometric shape, the magnetic configuration has just been slightly modified.